Hello, cadet and concert band students. Well, by now you have all, I hope, completed that yellow scale packet. And that's great to understand how that stuff works on paper and understand the relationship of the whole steps and half steps. And you've marked your sharps and your flats. But music is something that happens with sound, not just on paper. So understanding how the relationship sounds, that difference between a whole step and a half step, that's a whole step. Sounds like the beginning of the scale. This is that half step. We hear that difference. So we know that a scale starts on note 1, is a whole step to number 2, is a whole step to note number 3, is then a half step up to number 4, whole step to 5, whole step to number 6, whole step to note 7, and then a half step to note 8. We have that very distinctive major scale sound. Here's what you're going to do for this video. Just grab a piece of paper, pause if you need to, grab a piece of paper, any kind of scratch paper, and number it 1 through 12 like this. Number it 1 through 12 just like that. Pause if you need to, and then come back. Oh wait, I don't need to wait. If you hit pause, I don't need to wait. Okay, so you're numbering 1 through 12. I'm going to play scales 1 through 12 off this sheet. Or am I? I'm going to play, I guarantee you I will always start on the right note. On scale number 1, scale number 2, scale number 3, scale number 4, scale number 5, and so on. I will start on the right note. All you have to do is write on that sheet whether or not I played a major scale or not a major scale. So for example, I'm going to go and do line 1. We're not doing, I haven't started yet. You would write major, because that was a major scale. For that one, you should write not. Really impressive would be if you tell me why it wasn't a major scale. In that case, I played note number 7, a half step too low. And so I threw all the intervals off there. Here we go. And I'm just gonna play each one of them once, because if you want to hear it again, you can always rewind it. Okay? Here is, and we'll grade these in class. You'll come to class with your piece of paper ready to go. Here is scale number 1. Major or not? Scale number 2. Scale number 3. Major or not? Scale number 4. Scale number 5. Is this major or not? Scale number 6. Major or not? Scale number 7. Major or not? Scale number 8. Major or not? Scale number 9. Major or not? Scale number 10, major or not? Scale number 11, major or not? And scale number 12, major or not? Write your answers down on that sheet of paper. Bring that to class with you next time. Thank you.